New products are essential in a company's development, and marketers play a key role in creating successful long-term growth. For the chapter on introducing new market offerings, more than innovation, this is Dr. Maria Theresa Enrile from the Ateneo Graduate School of Business and Central Luzon Doctors Hospital. In this chapter, we will address the following questions. 1. What are the challenges does a company face in developing new products? 2. What organizational structures and processes do managers use to oversee new product development? And 3. What are the main stages in developing new products? New product development shapes the company's future, whether it is new to the world product or revisions to existing products. Introducing it to the market can be quite challenging. What are these challenges in new product development? One is shortage of important ideas in certain areas. There may be few ways left to improve these basic products. 2. The fragmented market. The company must aim their new products at smaller market segments, which can mean lower sales and profits for each product. 3. Social, economic, and governmental constraints. New products must satisfy consumer safety and environmental concerns. They must also be resilient if economic times are tough. 4. Cost of development. A company typically must generate many ideas to find just one worthy of development, and thus often faces high research and development, manufacturing, and marketing costs. Capital shortages. Some companies with good ideas cannot raise the funds to research and launch them. Shorter required development time. Companies must learn to compress development time with new techniques, strategic partners, early concept tests, and advanced marketing planning. Poor launch timing. New products are sometimes launched after the category has already taken off or when there is still insufficient interest. Shorter product life cycles. Rivals are quick to copy success. This is what happens with today's technology. Your cell phone now may be advanced, but tomorrow it will be copied by the rival company. Organizational support. The new product may not mesh with the corporate culture or receive the financial and other support it needs. The organizational arrangement in new product development include budgeting. Research and development outcomes are so uncertain that it's difficult to use normal investment criteria when budgeting for new product development. Some companies simply finance as many projects as possible, hoping to achieve few winners. Others apply a conventional percentage of sales figure or spend what the competition spends. Still, others decide how many successful new products they need and work backward to estimate the required investment. This table shows how a company might calculate the cost of new product development. The new products manager at a large consumer packaged goods company reviewed 64 ideas. 16 passed the screening stage and cost $1,000 each to review at this point. Half those, or 8, survived the concept testing stage at a cost of $20,000 each. Half these, or 4, survived the product development stage at a cost of $200,000 each. 2 did well in the test market, costing $500,000 each. When they were launched at a cost of $5 million each, one was highly successful. Thus, this one successful idea cost the company $5,721,000 to develop, while 63 others fell by the wayside for a total development cost of $13,984,000. Unless the company can improve its pass ratios and reduce costs at each stage, it will need to budget nearly $14 million for each successful new idea it hopes to find. In organizing new product development, many companies use customer-driven engineering to develop new products, incorporating customer preferences in the final design. Some rely on internal changes to develop more successful new products. New product development requires senior management to define business domains, product categories, and specific criteria. There are several ways an organization handles the aspect of new product development. Many assign responsibility to new product managers who report to category managers. Some companies have high-level management committee charged with reviewing and approving proposals. Large companies often establish a new product department headed by a manager with substantial authority and access to top management, whose responsibilities include generating and screening new ideas, working with the research and development department, and carrying out field testing and commercialization. Others assign new product development to venture teams, which are cross-functional groups charged with developing a specific product or business. These entrepreneurs are relieved of other duties and given a budget, time frame, and places to develop new products. Cross-functional teams can collaborate and use concurrent new product development to push new products to market. Many top companies use the stage gate system to divide the innovation process into stages, with a gate or checkpoint at the end of each. The project leader, working with a cross-functional team, must bring a set of known deliverables to each gate before the project can pass to the next stage. To move from the business plan stage to product development requires a convincing market research study of consumer needs and interest, a competitive analysis, and a technical appraisal. Senior managers review the criteria at each gate to make one of 4 decisions: go, kill, hold, or recycle. Stage gate systems make the innovation process visible to all and clarify the project leaders and the team's responsibilities at each stage. The new product development process starts with the search for ideas. Some marketing experts believe the greatest opportunities and highest leverage with new products are found by uncovering the best possible set of unmet customer needs or technological innovation. There are several ways to find great new ideas, most of which involves customer research, survey and interaction, and having a good technical working group. These new ideas will be forwarded to idea screening. The purpose of screening is to drop poor ideas as early as possible. The rationale is that product development costs rise substantially with each successive development stage. Then, a new product idea can be turned into several concepts. The first question is, who will use this product? Second, what primary benefits should this product provide? Third, when will people consume this product? Each concept represents a category concept that defines the product's competition. Concept testing means presenting the product concept to target consumers, whether physically or symbolically, and getting their reactions. The more the tested concepts resemble the final product or experience, the more dependable concept testing is. Following a successful concept test, the new product manager will develop a preliminary three-part strategy plan for introducing the new product into the market. After management develops the product concept and marketing strategy, it can evaluate the proposal's business attractiveness. Management needs to prepare sales, cost, and profit projections to determine why or whether they satisfy company objectives. If they do, the concept can move to the development stage. In product development, the company will determine whether the product idea can translate into a technically and commercially feasible product. If not, the accumulated project cost will be lost, except for any useful information gained in the process. After management is satisfied with functional and psychological performance, the product is ready to be branded with a name, logo, and packaging and go into a market test. If not satisfied, management will send the idea back to product development. After a successful market test, without modifying the product or marketing program, commercialization commences. With commercialization, management can make future plans for the product. Here is another look at the stages in new product development. The stages in the new product development process are shown in this figure. Many firms have parallel sets of projects working through the process, and each at a different stage. Think of the process as a funnel. A large number of initial new product ideas and concepts are winnowed down to a few high potential products that are ultimately launched. But the process is not always linear. Many firms use a spiral development process that recognizes the value of returning to an earlier stage to make improvements before moving forward. Introducing a new product or service into the market is one of the challenges in laboratory medicine. With the increasing demand and competition, clinical laboratories try to give the best service to their customers by providing them with every test they need. For example, with the increasing number of cancer cases, a laboratory introduces new tests for the immediate diagnosis. Idea generation comes from surveying the suppliers and manufacturers on what new tests are in the market. These are then screened by the management with the pathologist and medical technologist in the team. Concept development, marketing strategy, and business analysis involving the clinicians and patients are done. Since market testing is previously done by the manufacturer, the individual laboratory performs technical evaluation and validation before actual patient sample analyses are done. In summary, we have addressed the following: the challenges a company faces in developing new products, organizational structures and processes managers use to oversee new product development, and the main stages in developing new products or services.